No, provide. Honorable member, I am happy. I'm happy for you to share with the public all that you have on me. Read them out.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
I was to come right after the lunch break at 12:30 p.m. I have a copy here. So for the minority leader to address a press conference a while ago and portray me as some hooligan, some lawless character who will be smuggled into your hearings with my wife, my chiefs, respected ambassadors, chief director of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, former ministers of foreign affairs. I take strong exception to that. I thought that the minority leader, at the very least, will have apologized to my revered chiefs who had traveled all the way from the Volta region, including the Tepamahine, traveled all the way from the Ashanti region, where I have been serving as Mbrantia Hine over the last 15 years.
Please be brief.
So, Chairman, this is a very serious matter. It's a reputational issue. I was not smuggled here. There was no conspiracy. And before the minority leaders' press conference,
Don Dramani Mahama has done exactly what is expected to him because he was rewarded hard work for not only the party, but Ghana as a whole, and for all of us.
I have gone on record in this House to commend your government for securing the Africa Continental Free Trade Area Secretariat. And I added, if you recall in that presentation, that it is a testimony of what we can achieve when we unite. I recall that.
And I am informed that foreign affairs ministers travel on either first class with Emirates. You will be paying around 250,000 Ghana cedis on first class. Now, if you decide to do business class, you will be doing about 140,000 Ghana cedis. In your own words, His Excellency the President, Nana Akufo-Addo, engaged in wastage for filigree. If you want to do economy, you'll be doing around 27,000 Ghana cedis. Would you decide to use economy class ticket, or you will do business class?
Business class economy. Honorable Chair, I am wondering why members of parliament who fly business class don't want the foreign minister to fly business class. I'm really wondering what this is about and where they are headed.
So I'm sorry to your dear wife, largely on my press conference, and referred to how you felt about it and how your wife felt about it. I think Chairman largely addressed the issue in another way, which was acceptable to me, because we're only having our own challenges that we couldn't have communicated. But I think the effect of my political statement was to the effect that our side had no proper understanding of yesterday's arrangement. However, let me unconditionally apologize to your wife for how my press statement conference came about. I mean, how she felt about it. I mean, I'll feel bad if somebody said something about my own wife, and it's fair. All right, these are no ego matters. So I'm sorry to your dear wife. In 2013, you were a Deputy Minister of Education, correct?
Yes, I was.
In your work, you had access to an official saloon car and an official four-wheel drive as a Deputy Education Minister, correct?
Yeah, correct.
At the same time, you had a four-wheel drive purchased for you by Parliament, correct?
That's a car loan, so I don't know how you are defining that. It is deducted from our salary, so I think that it has to be, the context has to be, the context has to be.
Yes, I would, Honorable Nominee, don't worry. I would be fair as much as possible in the 5 years, which is good.
And that's not only what I have, by the way.
No problem. No. Provide, honorable member. I am happy. I'm happy for you to share with the public all that you have on me. Read them aloud. No, please read them aloud. Honorable members, I want you, because you brought it up, I want you to share with the public all the properties that I have, that you have uncovered, including my bank account. Share with the public. I'm happy for you to share. No, I want you to share because I want it to disclose. I am right here. No, I am right here. I am right here. I want you to disclose to the public all the properties that I own that you have.
Honorable Minority Leader, remember, I am the chair of the committee. If you ask a question that relates to that,
from you, did you engage the former AG with a view to facilitating the payment due Isophon at the time?
Well, thank you very much. At the time, I was Deputy Minister for Information, and I received a petition, came to the ministry, and I'm glad that former Ministers of Information are here. I see the Honorable Mahama Yarigan. It is key to the mandate of the Ministry of Information to receive feedback and ferry that information to the relevant quarters. So in this case, there was a petition from the director of Isophon, and all I did was to forward that. And if you, Mr. Chair, you give me the permission to read from the current.
You bring your party foot soldiers here to cause confusion. If today you are unleashing them when these boys are hungry and angry, they will come after you. It's not a prophecy. It's a reality. We cannot be intimidated even as we perform our legitimate constitutional mandate. And we caution the parliamentary service led by the clerk to parliament and his able marshal to urgently step up security within the precincts of parliament and protect the minority to enable us do our work. It will be an eyesore to witness supporters of the minority also invade Parliament House to provide security for our side. Our members are asking us questions about that we are a party of law and order.